Kriya. Start with having your knees slightly bent and ground your body down, the big toes grabbing the earth. As you inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, settle it down your spine and back to the earth. Inhale, gather life force, prana, chi. Exhale, settle it down the spine, through the legs, and back into the earth. One more time. Inhale as the arms come up. Exhale, settle it down. We'll start with a little wiggle, bouncing organically, naturally, like you are a little kid. Move in ways that maybe you've never moved before. Let your jaw be soft. You can make noise. Shake it all up. Coming back to stillness, we ground. Knees are bent. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, settle the life force through your spine and connect it back to the earth, through the legs, through the feet. Rest and feel your body. Just witness the body without thoughts. Take your right hand and wrap it around your temples. The index finger goes on the temple and so does the thumb. The left hand goes over your nose, pressing the nose tip down, wrapping around your cheeks. Wiggle back and forth vigorously. Wiggle your legs. Breathe a deep, long, strong, fast breath. Inhale quickly. Exhale quickly with a deep breath. Some people call this Kriya mind eraser because your mind just stops. Begin to tap your temples. Send the eye gaze up to the crown of your head. Open your mouth. Let your exhale come through your open mouth like you're releasing stuck energy, maybe from sticky thoughts that want to leave. Let it go. Have a little bounce. Take your hands and clasp them together with the index finger pointing up, the thumbs pointing towards you, pinkies pointing away from you, like it's a little hat. Place this little pyramid hat on top of your head with the pinky finger touching the hairline. As you inhale, face forward. Exhale, twist to the right or left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the left or the right. Take a deep and fast breath and twist more quickly. Let your eye gaze come up to the tips of your index finger as if there is a light bulb there, and each inhale and exhale is making that light bulb stronger and brighter. The eye gaze is up, the tip of the tongue is touching the roof of the mouth, and you're lifting the perineum, mula bandha, the pelvic floor lifted. Come back to stillness and grounding. Inhale, the arms come up. Exhale, let the chi, the life force, travel down your spine, through your legs, and ground into the earth. Separating your legs nice and wide like you're riding a horse. Plant your hands on your legs and begin to twist. When you twist, you'll have one shoulder pretty much on top of the other and look way up. Inhale as you come up. Exhale, swing it down. Inhale, up. You can go slow with the Ujjayi breath. Breathing with the throat, the back of the throat is constricted, so you're making sound, like you sound kind of like Darth Vader, or you sound like the wind through the trees. Inhale as you come up, exhale down, inhale up. This releases stuck heart energy. And coming back to standing, let your knuckles of your index finger push into your sacrum as you arch your head back, opening the heart center. Have a little bounce. Hold on to your bicep and tricep. The thumbs press into your biceps. The other fingers wrap around your triceps and squeeze. Lifting your arms up, let the forearm, one of the forearms, press the tip of your nose down. You can still breathe, but press the nose down. Begin to kick from side to side, breathing Ujjayi breath, deep and fast breathing, making noise with the breath. The shoulders are relaxed and a little bounce. If it's okay for your back, you can lean back, opening the heart even more. And slap the thighs. Witness how your body feels. Take your thumbs and put them right in the center of your heart. All your other fingers touch your solar plexus. Inhale from your solar plexus to your heart. Exhale from the heart to the solar plexus. Keep that going with the eye gaze up. Tongue touches the roof of your mouth and lift your perineum, Mula Bandha. Let one hand come to the Kundasthana right above the pelvic bone. The other hand goes to the crown of your head. Wiggle your legs. Keep the eye gaze up. Keep the tip of the tongue at the roof of the mouth. Lift the perineum. Press into your hands into the Kundasthana and the crown of your head. Ujjayi pranayama, breathing a strong, fast breath. Tap your left shoulder with your right hand. Wiggle that left arm, letting the wrist be loose, and stomp that left foot. Meanwhile, your mouth is open, tongue is out, eyes are up. Release. Exhale, like it's releasing whatever is stuck in you, letting it go. Other side. Grab under your armpits. You're grabbing your upper chest with your whole hand, bouncing up and down. Eye gaze up. Ujjayi pranayama, breathing with sound or just a deep, fast breath. Begin tapping at the collarbone with release through your open mouth. Anything that's stuck in you, let it go, as if from your core, whatever you don't need is lifting up through your mouth and out into the forest or wherever you are. Begin tapping the inside of your thighs, anywhere on your body that feels good, and we ground, coming back to earth. Planting your hands over the pelvic bone, one hand over the other with the eyes closed. You can stay here to close the practice or lay down for Shavasana, resting pose. Stay as long as you like. And thank you for sharing your Kriya practice with me. This is Siu Lei saying, see you later.